Hello, I'm in a 2015 Ford Edge, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone to your vehicle Bluetooth. So first you'll start the vehicle. Meanwhile, while everything loads, you want to make sure you've got your Bluetooth on your phone and you're in your Bluetooth settings so you can pair a new device. Meanwhile, and here, there's a couple ways to get there, but if the connect phone options here, you should be able to if you've already connected before, you should see your phone listed. There's typically in vehicles a maximum number of phones that can be connected, so we'll have to delete one of these. So we'll delete this random iPhone. Delete. Yes. So now there's more space. So we'll connect. Except I don't have an iPhone. So we'll go back. And then you can also get to this screen through Entertainment. And this arrow to Bluetooth, and it's trying to auto connect again, but we don't have this iPhone, so connect phone, add device.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
So again, you gotta make sure you're searching. Sync is what we're looking for. So it should be
confirm that
there.
The pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
And then confirm yes on here. Sometimes this takes a few tries, just how technology goes. So connected random devices.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
So you should be all set now. You'll be able to take calls, listen to music, all that through your vehicle from your phone. As well as if you've got navigation, a lot of times your maps can sync up. You can adjust these settings if you choose. But that's it, and there's my phone listed there. And you can make it the favorite if you want that to be the auto that your vehicle tries to sync with. You need to disconnect for some reason, you can get rid of the phone. So now it's not connected, and see we got a passenger that wants to connect now. You can delete your device. And then same on here, you can always use these to forget a network. Sometimes you have to do that process over and over until you get your technology to sync properly. And alternative, if you're still having issues and you've restarted the car, restarted the phone, things like that, and it's still having issues, you might have to factory reset the vehicle itself, which you can search videos how to do that as well, but you can find all that in the settings. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.